Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our belief cards. Believe cards. This is from Walter Anderson. Believe in something big. Your life is worth a noble motive. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 9. NASDAQ was flat. S&Ps were flat. Gold contract up $1.50, trading at $1,318 an ounce. Silver, $20.88 an ounce. Platinum down $1 at $1,455 an ounce. Copper up 2.5 pennies, trading out at $3.13 a pound. Light sweet crude, $1.07 a barrel. Bonds. Well, this one's going to get interesting because we had bonds up. The 10-year flat at 128.08. The 30-year flat at 135.11. I will go back to those and see what went on there. King dollar down 106 ticks, trading at 80.33. The euro flat at 136, and the yen down 15, trading at 101.92. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so we get to 1963.74 today. Well, Friday was option expiration, triple witching, folks. And you did have volume come in the market. And it doesn't matter how it comes in, bottom line, had volume in. So that 1963.91 wants to get tested. We went to 1963.75 today. You did 570 million versus 1.7 billion. If we go over to the Dow Industrials, we take a look at the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials flat market out here in the Dow Industrials today. The down $9. What we did on Friday, we got to 978, 16,978. That will also get tested. NASDAQ Composite. You go over to the Composite. We take a look at the Composite. The high got tested today. So 4368. This is a trip. We're dealing with 10 100ths of one in some of these indices right now, particularly in the NASDAQ. So we got to a price point today of 43.71. We closed at 43.68.67. The high was 43.68.80 on Friday. So the test is out there in the NASDAQ. We did 1.6 billion versus 2.7 billion. The high of the NASDAQ is 4371. No, it's 4372.18, and that was as of last Thursday. We'll see whether they can get up there and test the 71.30 to 80 again. It's hanging up there. I suspect it's going to try to test it. If we go into the SPY, the SPY, what you're going to see with the SPY, she's laying out at 195.88. And what that has to do with, folks, is that you had the S&P to a higher high. The SPY does pay a dividend. That dividend was paid on Friday, and that's why you saw that opened down versus up. That was the small dividend that I paid. The 3Qs, the NDX 100, that closed at 92.79. We did 18 million shares, and 18 million is going into 38 million. So the NDX 100 was absolutely anemic out here today. Gold market. Okay, so what do we have inside the gold market? We are at 13.18. We had wide price spread, accelerated volume last Thursday. Goes topside. This gold market's going to be making its way up to the 1392 area. Silver, same setup in the silver. So in gold, that's the March highs it's going after, and we're dealing with silver. You're talking the February highs. Right now, silver is trading out at 20.88. Your high in the February high was 22.22. And that goes right across the board when we're talking whether it's the XAU, the HUI, they all broke topside, accelerated price, wide price spread, accelerated volume. Bond market. Let's go over and take a look at bonds. What do you have with bonds? Okay, so 10-year first. I see. Okay, so We did 639,000 contracts. Didn't hold price. We had a high out here today of 124.17. Closed out at 124.08. It's going to need more volume. You know, she tried to get into Thursday's high, couldn't handle it. We go take a look at the 30-year bond, same type of setup. It's 201,000 contracts. That's short volume, by the way, folks, trying to get into a high, too. So we'll see how this baby shakes out. That, in both cases, that is saying that now it will try to get into the bottom of this. It's not quite a consolidation. We had come off. The last high that was established in the 10 in the 30-year was on the 29th of May. You pull back down on lighter volume, by the way, but we've been here for about 3 weeks right now. King Dollar. We go take a look at King Dollar. Well, actually, no, let's go look at oil. CRB. Let me get this oil contract up. Okay, so, whoops, that's not oil. CRB. Okay, oil market out here, she was off 66 cents today. We're trading at 106.17. We're on the CLQ contract. She's still hanging at these highs. Oil, it looks to me, she did get to a higher high and basically pull back slightly, but oil wants to spike that 112 to 114 area. King Dollar, we go take a look at King Dollar. We have a King Dollar is this. She pulled back today, 9,800 contracts. That's light volume. That 9,800 contracts is coming into 25,000 contracts from last Thursday. So King Dollar still wants to make her way up to the 81.17 area. I suspect when we're at 80.33, I expect what you're going to see, King Dollar is going to make her way up to this 81.50 area. After the close out here, Micron Technology come out with the numbers. It closed at $31.26. It's trading right now at $31.27. No juice. And that had come down 59 cents. And these numbers, you know, bottom line, the numbers are good. What you have is this. The estimate was 79 cents. The estimate was 72 cents, and they came in with 79 cents. That bottom line. Top line estimate was $3.9 billion. They came in with $3.98 billion. You know, so the numbers are there. Bottom line is that, you know, it doesn't have any traction underneath that number. Let me go over to Intel just for a second again. So if we look at Intel, Intel had come out with numbers. That's trading at 30.23. Yeah, and that had gapped away. So a dramatic difference in between those. I see what it did, though. Okay, so when Intel came out with their numbers, folks, this is what you had. Intel come out with good numbers. Micron also come out with good numbers. But the juice was put into Micron when, in fact, Intel came out with their numbers, which is on they come out on the 10th, and that Micron was trading at 29.54. The 11th, it opened up at 31.60, and right now you're at 31.26. So what you do have there is that when Intel come out with their numbers, the juice was put into Micron, and that's how it's laid out. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We take a look at some of the high-volume stocks in a low-volume market. You had Micron. Well, we just talked about Micron. Facebook was up 87 cents. You had Ford Motor up 21. Groupon, there was some movement in Groupon. I'll pull that baby up. That was up 31 cents. You had Coach down 71. Let's go over to Coach for a second because Coach has been getting absolutely smoked. So Coach is trading at 34.02. This baby, oh, look at this monster ABC down. Okay, so put this on a weekly for a second. This is continue to do ABC structures on the way down. So I'll put this on a monthly. Oh, look at this. Okay, so we're 34. Coach is on its way. Yeah, don't get that group of poll out yet, folks, because Coach is on its way down at 22 bucks. Ooh, that's a big number. That's a big number. 7 cents. Walmart was up 11 cents. You had United Technologies off 86. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.